then when it's in a release status, it's kind of like a what is happening. You can scroll all the way down to the bottom of your requisition, and you should all have the option to click on approvers. This will show you the workflow that the requisition has to complete before it gets approved. So when I click on this, it's going to show me all the steps of workflow. I know you guys probably don't do a ton with workflow, but there is an expand all option. So you can expand it all just to see all of these steps. Right now, our requisition is sitting at a step 10 for David to approve. So if David goes and approves this, this will say complete. Right now it says in progress, so we know that it's waiting on step 10. Once this says completed, it moves on to step 30. In this case, step 30 is going to be Dominic, and then we can go in here and they can approve this at step 30, and then it will go to approved. Depending on your requisition, it might have different steps and different people. So if you are always questioning it, definitely come in here and see if it's going to who you think it's going to.